Hey friends, welcome back to our kitchen. I've got Renee here as a helper.
Hi.
And I'm gonna have another helper a little bit later on in the video as well. So we have a couple of fun recipes to share today. They both involve electrolytes, and it is summer right now where we are, and I'm always trying to get my kids to drink more electrolytes during the summertime. Several of them struggle with having nosebleeds when it gets warm. They'll have them at night, and so I'm always trying to get them to drink more and drink more electrolytes during the day. Some of them like to drink the electrolytes and some of them don't, so I've been working on some creative ways to get more electrolytes in them in fun ways. Why not make it fun if you can? So the two recipes we're gonna share today, the first one is cherry vanilla creamsicles. Very excited about that. That's what I'm gonna be doing with Renee. And then after that, with Charity, we are going to make some watermelon electrolyte gummy bears and fruit snacks. And it's funny, we have all these different fruit snacks molds, but we don't have a watermelon one, which we should because we're making watermelon fruit snacks. So here are the popsicle molds that we have. They're pretty cute. They're a rocket ship, so when it's like that, it's like the fire blasting off and a little space guy in there. So that's fun. We also have a set of these that are sailboats. Those are also fun. We did a test batch in the other ones in this set, so those are in use at the moment. This recipe is incredibly simple. Only 3 or possibly 4 ingredients if you want. The first ingredient is 2 cups of water. The second ingredient is 1 scoop of the black cherry daily electrolytes. You want to do this?
Yes.
Okay. Put that in. And the black cherry electrolytes have a beautiful purple pink color, so that's always fun when you're making popsicles. Now for the creaminess, you can either use the vanilla MCT oil powder or the vanilla collagen powder from Perfect Keto. And of course you could use individual ingredients, adjust your own sweetener, your own vanilla flavor. You could keep it simple and use something like heavy cream or coconut milk. But what I love about the Perfect Keto products is that it's like an all-in-one thing. They have great flavors. It's already sweetened with stevia, and I can just throw it in. It makes it just super simple. So we've made a version with 2 scoops of the MCT oil powder, vanilla flavor. But this time I'm gonna do, to get both collagen and MCT oil powder in the recipe, I'm gonna use 1 scoop of each.
Can I do that?
Yeah, of course. All right, you ready to throw that in?
Yes.
1 scoop.
It's probably gonna be like a different color.
It's gonna make it look creamy. Because of course you could make like a really concentrated electrolyte drink and just freeze that, and then it would just be more like a juice pop. But I like the creamsicles. All right, now 1 scoop of the vanilla collagen.
That's kind of like a different creamy white.
It's kind of a little bit more cream than white. Let's see. So these popsicles are just going to be packed with so many good things for the kids. MCTs, collagen, as well as the electrolytes. I love that.
Can I mix it?
Yes, you mix it.
Okay.
We're going to mix it up until all of the little clumps are dissolved.
Those little clumps are like yellow.
Yeah, I think that's the collagen.
Wow.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get these opened up here so that we can pour in. I'm not sure, I have 2, it'll be 2 cups worth of liquid. I'm not sure how much each one of these holds. We shall see.
That's a pretty color.
It is like pretty.
Pink.
It's, yeah, purpley pink. That black cherry. All right, are we ready to pour?
Yes.
I think we got all the clumps. All right, we gotta be real careful. Do you wanna help me pour?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Let's do this together. Gotta pour it up to the right spot so that they freeze with the little sticks in them. I think probably like that. So we put the guy in. Does that come up to the right spot? I might fill each of these just a little bit more.
Oh.
Yeah, pull that one out. I want to make sure
Oh goodness.
the handles freeze in there really well.
I think it's gonna overflow.
think it's good.
It did it.
Yay! All right, stick the guy in there.
Could be a little more in each one, so put this one in.
Go ahead, put the last one in. Oh, that one might overflow a little bit. No, just barely made it. Okay. All right, I love these molds because they pop together in a circle. You'll see when we pull them out. I think we have enough of the liquid to do one. I don't know if we'll be able to fill the last. Yeah, that's not quite enough to fill the last sailboat, but we'll at least get one sailboat.
Because it will be fun to drink a sailboat.
Yeah, and see, these ones pop together too, just in a line like that. Very handy. Okay, we are gonna go put these in the freezer, and then I'm gonna start on the gummies with Charity, and we'll be back to taste test these after they're frozen. Now on to round 2 with Charity. We're gonna do our watermelon gummies and fruit snacks. Very simple recipe, just water, both cold water or room temperature water and boiling water, the electrolyte drink mix, and gelatin. I like to use the beef gelatin powder. I already have half a cup of water in here, and we're gonna go ahead and add our electrolyte mix. We're gonna do 2 scoops. You ready to do this? Just get that dissolved real quick.
Smells good.
It does smell good. Now I'm gonna sprinkle our gelatin powder over the top. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons, which comes out to be about 30 grams, 10 grams per tablespoon. That's 2 tablespoons. Just wanna get it evenly moistened, so I'm trying to sprinkle it over the top. Yeah, this is called...
Makes like crystal.
Yeah, this is called blooming gelatin.
Starnation?
No. Blooming gelatin, you just let it sit and absorb the water. All right, last tablespoon here.
That's weird.
I know. And I already started the kettle boiling, so the water will be hot, because then we're gonna add a half a cup of boiling water after this is all bloomed. We'll just let this sit for another 30 to 60 seconds till everything gets moistened. See how it's like getting wrinkly?
Yeah.
Let's get this last little bit touching the liquid so it'll get moistened. Come on, get moistened. There we go. Okay, now you can try to mix it, but look at how stiff it is. It's almost a gummy already. Okay, now we're gonna add in our half cup of boiling water, and then that'll melt the gelatin and we'll be able to get it all mixed and it'll be liquid again. So 1/2 cup. I like to measure using my scale, so I don't even have to use a measuring cup. Go ahead and whisk that up until all of the gelatin is dissolved in there. So these silicone molds came with these little droppers that you can use to drop the liquid into the molds. That does take forever, as you can imagine. So it might be a little bit messy. I'm gonna try to pour some of them. Charity might try to drop some because it's kind of fun to play with these. We'll see how it goes. Might be messy. And as always, when you're using silicone molds like this, you've gotta have a cookie sheet underneath, or else there's no moving this after it's filled with liquid. Not at all.
So much faster.
Yeah. We got 5 full pans out of that batch, plus a few more right here, but we had a couple empty pans, so we decided to make another batch, And we made these ones with the pink lemonade electrolytes. And we'll have more than we need for this, so I'll use the extra in these pans, which I actually really like because they have a hard something in the edges, so you can fill them and then transfer them without having to use a cookie sheet. I got these ones at Target. No one said that this was an easy or clean process. This is a labor of love.
What does that mean?
A labor of love is like when you work really hard because you love somebody. If you didn't love somebody so much, you probably wouldn't work that hard. Mm-hmm. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I am gonna start taking these to the fridge, and these are so tiny, they don't take very long to set up. If you're doing bigger gummies, it takes, you know, maybe an hour or 2 hours. These ones might be done in like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. I just sent the kids out to do some yard work with the motivation that when they're done, they'll be able to taste the gummies and the popsicles. While we're waiting for those to set up, I'll let you know that Perfect Keto has a little sale going on right now. You can use the code SALTY10 at checkout for $10 off of your purchase of $30 or more. So this is a great deal if you are only wanting to try like 1 or 2 items. As long as your total is $30 or more, you can get that $10 off. If you're gonna be placing a bigger order, you might wanna try my personal coupon code, which is Indigo Nili 20, and you can get 20% off of your order, which may be more than $10 if you have a big enough order. So you can try those 2 coupon codes. The Salty10 coupon code is active today, the 18th, through Friday, the 22nd. So you have a few days to use that. Are you guys ready to try some gummies?
Yes! I want to try gummies!
You want to try gummies?
Yeah. Are the popsicles ready?
I'm not sure if they're ready yet. We'll check that next.
Yeah.
The flavors are mixed in these 2, but these ones are the watermelon and these ones are the pink lemonade. All right, you ready to try some?
Yeah.
So I definitely
one of each.
Of course. I definitely recommend doing bigger gummies. The gummy bears are fun and adorable, but they are a lot of work. And the fruit was a little bit too detailed to really get everything to come out just right. The cherries especially, the leaves always came off.
The apples are really good.
The apples turned out pretty good. There's one cherry that's almost whole.
Yeah, well, I mean
the bananas turned out, the gummy bears were pretty cute. The bananas came out really well, but there was just a lot of work. A lot of work. So, what do you think, Levi?
So the fruit and the gummy bear was really good.
Gummy bear's really good.
I meant the gummy bear when I said the apple.
I see.
And now I'm gonna try the apple and then this.
Okay. You have to say which shape is your favorite. Levi, you're just eating them by the handful, man. You know how much work that was?
And it tastes good.
Did you want to try one of these big, Levi called these hot dog ones. You want to try a hot dog one? Hey, don't take a handful, just take one. There you go.
I think these ones are the best.
Oh, the hot dogs ones? Yeah. Definitely recommend the hot dog gummies. What do you think, Charity? Good?
I like gummy bears. Stay away from me.
Gummy bears, yeah, they're so cute.
Well, these are my favorite like shape.
Yeah, a lot of them came out in one piece.
These are my favorite shape, and these ones are my favorite like taste.
Oh, favorite taste, or maybe favorite cuteness?
Well, yeah, my favorite cuteness and the taste.
Mm-hmm.
I like these shapes.
Yeah. So Levi, how many thumbs up do you give the gummy bears?
All of them.
All of the thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right. Oh my goodness. Renee, how many thumbs up for the gummies?
Well, for these gummies, I think 10.
10. Okay.
And these ones, I think probably like 4. And these ones, 8.
Wait, these ones only 4? I thought you said you liked these ones the best.
No, I like that best shape.
Oh. Okay. Levi, eat the one you have. What about you, Charity? How many thumbs up?
These are so jiggly. 7, 7, 7.
Nice. Levi, do you want to have a rocket ship one or a sailboat one?
Sailboat.
Okay, what do you want, Renee?
I want a rocket ship.
Rocket ship? Okay, I already loosened this one up. The best trick for these is to use 2 hands. My best trick is to run them under a little bit of warm water to loosen it up, to get it out. Go ahead and pull it out. There you go. All right, let's do this one for you, Levi.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can do this. Oh, that one came out easy.
Oh, there's blue on it.
It's so cute. Look at that sailboat. Do a taste, and you can tell me how it is, and then you got to take it outside.
It's good. What? It's super good.
It tastes good? What do you think, Renee?
I think it tastes delicious.
Oh, good. All right, Charity, you want one?
Yeah. Rocket ship.
Rocket ship?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I like it. Tastes like electrolyte drink.
This one is a creamy one, like a cherry vanilla creamsicle.